armored charge. Then we can use this. And then we do this and we'll transform. What does this let us do? Heal 40% of your max HP. Okay, so it's no damage, but it is... You can do this, do this. It would have been good to do it, but okay. I like it. Kind of cool concept. Hey sis, fancy meeting you here. Fancy that. Oh. Wow. We don't have enough gold, mate. If you're willing to trade for them precious shiny items, I'm on board. I don't have any. Ooh, don't make me waste my time like this. I'm just go wherever I want then. Well, I didn't have enough money. This will make it blue. Should be great. Okay, let's do it. All right, so we got a massive attack. We could kill the big dude nearly. 77 is so close. All right, let's headbutt this guy. He'll fully, but then take a bit of damage. We got 0 money. Can we kill? What's boomerang go into? Power. Okay, break weapon. Okay. Nearly enough to kill him though. If we do this a couple of times. 4, 8, 12 damage. That kills the Monkey King as well though. Oh, what? I want to... Not doing anything. Let's take this guy out. Oh, and then I can take this guy out too. I don't know what guys... Oh, I take all this stuff anyway. Okay. But this, you know, whatever the thing is. All right, I think we're dead. 6, we're dead just. 7, 27. Oh, 2, 1 extra health. Okay, there we go. That's not the end of your journey.